Good morning, children. Children, today second standard you have your EVS and we have already started your lesson 6 and I am getting homework only few children. When I have asked, you have said that excuse like you don't have this iPhone, some are saying you're out of station because of COVID. But children, this class is very important for you to go to third standard. So please I request you all, because the school will be reopening very shortly. So let's come back and do the lessons where you are, and at least hereafter be regular. Yes, last class children we have done the 6th lesson introduction, and also we did, that is the lesson topic was varieties of food. We have done varieties of food, lesson 6. Now in varieties of food, last lesson I had told you and introduced you the food that is obtained from plants. Okay, now today children we will go to the food obtained from animals. There are food, children, you know, which is used but very important to get your proteins. You need your calcium. So this is obtained from the food of animals. Now if you look into the page 55, you have the pictures like egg, you have meat, you have fish, and you have the wholesome food milk. Isn't it? Even when the school was open, you children used to go with your glass and the school provides you, St. Alphonsus provide you the wholesome food milk. So the food obtained here from animal are these 4 for your lesson to remember. You have studied the plants, isn't it, that which we use as food. We have pulses, you know, we have grains, we have vegetables, we have fruits and pulses. So all these are obtained, and with picture you have in your textbook on page number 56. So children, please do this reading at home. Next we have the question given here. The food items obtained from plants, food item obtained from animals. Now I have put it here on the board. Food items obtained from plants are grains, vegetables, fruits and pulses. Food items obtained from animals: egg, meat, milk, fish. Okay. Now here also in your textbook also there are 2 pages given. You can think and write. Now here they have given food item obtained from plants. It is to collect the pictures and stick it here. So you can collect any picture, children, rice. You can collect some tomatoes, picture of a tomato. What you love to eat, collect those plant pictures which you eat, food items, stick it here. And what you like, suppose you like biryani, or you like chicken curry or chicken fry, fish curry, so you please stick it here. But stick 1 or 2, not more than that. Okay. Then we go to the next page, children. Your lesson says lovely introduction of food that you eat together. Now children, when your school was on, you are eating only dinner with your family, right? But now since it's COVID, you are eating, and even Sundays when the school was on, your holidays, you eat with your family. Isn't it? You eat with your family. You eat your breakfast with mom, dad and your brothers, sisters. Then you eat with your dad and mom in the holidays with lunch with them, then you eat your dinner with them. But when you come to school, mommy packs you in your tiffin box the food item that is prepared, and she sends you to the school. So you bring and you eat with whom? With your friends. So here are some questions on page 61. The first question, I will be sending this question answers for your FA2. All this is coming lesson 6 and all is for your FA2. You must know the spellings which I had given you. Some are the difficult spellings. Okay. Now the question is, these are the answers the following. Write the food habits of your family in 2 sentences. Now in 2 sentences you have to write your food habits. Now what is that you will write? What your family loves to eat. You can say, my family eats rice every day, or if it's chicken, whatever the food items that you eat. If you're eating cucumber raw, you can write that. So, all families don't follow the same. Some families have everyday sambar, but not every family, isn't it? So some have curd every day. So what a family of yours like, you must write this question. It is your own personal. The next question, children, name 3 dishes that are prepared in your house. You have to write 3 dishes what your mommy prepares. What could it be? I'm sure your mommy prepares every day rice. Mommy prepares every day dals. Dals may be like sambar, or she must make koot or something different. So you can say rice, then dals. Then mommy also will make 1 vegetable. The vegetable which all like. It may be beans, it may be carrot. So see that, you write that. Okay. The next one. Where do you have your lunch? Now where do you have your lunch? You have it at home. Last year the students wrote, I have my lunch at school. Now you have to write, I have my lunch in home. Next, with whom do you eat? You can say, I eat my lunch with my family. What do you eat? That you have to write, what do you eat? You can write what you are eating every day. With whom the next question, with whom do you have dinner? It's also now, because it's COVID, you eat with your family. What do you like to have for dinner? Now dinner may be different. If mommy makes rice, some homes they don't eat at dinner the same food like rice and all. They would like to have dosa, or they will like to have rotis, chapatis, parothas. So you write that for dinner. Do the members of your family and you have the same food habit? Now do you all have the same food habit? I don't think so, children, because children sometimes don't like the same vegetable. But dad also will not like the same. Mama will like. Poor mama always will eat all the food which family eats. But children and father or grandparents, she cooks what they like. The next, are they different? Yes, sometimes it is different. If they are, how and why? If they are, how means because the taste is different. Why? Because sometimes the food is available according to the season, isn't it? Now you see, sometimes you don't get the greens, the palak every season. If you get, it is not so good. Some of the tomatoes you don't get every season. You get it, but the price is high. So mommy sees all these things which is available in the market. She brings home what the family likes and then she cooks. Okay, so you must write. This question is quite difficult. You have to think and write. they have given 3 lines, children. See, they have given 3 lines. I will be filling this according to me, but you children have to fill it according to your home choice and your personal. Okay, the first question, last question, do the members of your family and you have the same food habits? No, the food habits differ. Then are they different? Yes, they are different. If they are, how? If they are, how means you should say because the taste is different. Every member of the families, you just write taste differs, you write. And why? Because it is according to the availability of the vegetables in the market, isn't it? So food items like rice, dals are common, children. Rice, dal, wheat, atta, all are common, but the vegetables will be different. So you can write the food, main food is same, but the curries differ. You can write according to the taste and availability. So this is the question on page number 62, which you have to fill in. Now we go to the next lesson, children, next topic. Now children, mummy or the family uses, these are the vessels that are used for cooking. Some family, they use copper vessel, some use steel, and today, and in the olden days or in the village, they use pots. See, pots, mud pots, earthen pots. Okay, now these earthen pots are very good. They are good for health. They are natural cooking taste. But today in the market, you get all these sort of kettles like copper, steel, you know, all these vessels or utensils in the market. So you can see this picture and it is just for your reference. Next, children, very important thing to think. Now we have spoken and studied about the food what we like, right? Now one question I am asking you, do animals need food? Do they also have a taste? Yes, children, animals also need food. Now all animals also have different food according to the availability. Now what are the food that they take? Now you can see in the picture on 64, the picture is given to you. Please sit with your parent who teaches you, whether mother or father. See how cow is having its food. It's taking fresh green grass. Then you have the fish. Fish eats the small worms that are available in getting in the water. So you see they eat also the algae and they eat other things which you study in the higher class. You have sheep. They also have, they love fresh green pasture. They go to the grass, green grass. In the same way, children, all the, now see rabbit eats carrot, you know. They have 2 big teeth in the front, they bite and eat. Then you have this lion and tiger in the forest. Oh God, what did they eat? They eat flesh of another animal. Can you see that? They tear. They are very dangerous. And you have pigeons, you must have seen here. They eat grains. They eat a lot of grains, you know. And these are like bajra. You give them bajra grain, you know, just sprinkle on the floor, they eat that. Rabbit, they love nuts. You give them nuts, they eat. Oh God, frog. Frog has got a very long tongue. So it eats all the insects and it pulls with its tongue. You know, it just takes out his tongue and he sees. In the same way, spider, lizard also, children. Then you have the birds. Birds eat all these wheat, rice. You put them, they eat. And goat eat lot of leaves. So this is a beautiful picture which is shown to you children, and you can fill it up. I will also send it online. That is name of the animal and the food. So I will send some animals name children and their food, which you have seen in the picture previous. You can copy that in the textbook and also in your classwork. Here you have to do the match the following. You see here there is elephant. What does elephant love in this? Can you see? What does it love? You have banana, you have sugar cane. So you see, elephant loves banana also, but he loves sugar cane. So you have to draw the line. Then comes frog. What does frog love? Insects. So there is a grasshopper. You can. Cat, it drinks its milk. No, it closes its eyes and takes out the tongue and licks. So the cat drinks, I think milk is here. Yes. Then you have monkey. Monkey loves fruits and mainly banana. So you can put monkey there. Then you have cow children. Cow, what it loves? Cow loves, you can see, long grass, dried grass. So you can put that. Rabbit, carrot. So you draw the lines on this, and also you can put it in your classwork. Now in the classwork, I will be sending the pair. This is the online class, and with that children below I will be sending your classwork, which is for the FA2. You have to come with correction. Now for your convenient and to make it easy, I have put it on the board children. See, grains, vegetable, fruits, pulses, and egg, meat, milk, fish from the animals. Now one thing is to be noted children. You have to see some vegetables. I don't know whether you're eating. I'm sure you're eating, but some children, they don't like. Some of the vegetables you eat raw. Now what are the vegetables that you eat raw? They are carrot, apple, tomato, radish, banana. You have grapes. Then you have all other varieties of fruits which you can eat raw. Okay, so instead of this you can add your own fruit also, that which is cooked. Now some items we can't. Can you eat rice without cooking? Or you can eat your wheat without cooking? No. See, fish also, you have to cook fish. You have, you know, peas children, matar we call it. You love that with potato. Yeah, you have to cook these peas. Meat especially, you have to cook it. Rice, dals, and many other items. But I have written 5. If you know this for writing your test, it is more than enough. But you can write any other choice which you can think. So this is for your classwork, and also I am going to clip up some of your textbooks which you have to clip up and send it, and this will be sent by Sunday. Latest Sunday morning I should get your notes, because if you don't get this by this Saturday, if you send it, you can come for correction children. This Saturday we have corrections, so please come Saturday for correction for this lesson. Thank you. Have a great day. We will go for the next lesson.